Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 14 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really busy week here at Simons Middle School last week as we completed our first round of the Amazing Shake, also called the Gauntlet, and named our top 25 students. We do have a busy week this week at SMS as this is the last week before Christmas break. On Monday, we have a choir concert at 6:30. It is also going to be wear your flannel or plaid to celebrate Christmas. On Tuesday, we're going to be iReady assessing or doing our diagnostics. That will also be probably spread out throughout the week. So please, students, make sure you're present for your iReady assessments. If you do not have those finished by Thursday or Friday, whatever day your team is going on a field trip, you will not be eligible. So your attendance is going to be very important this week. Also on Tuesday, we have a board meeting at 6:30. It is going to be the SMS dress rehearsal for our play, and it is going to be the due date for your Amazing Shake Reflection artifact for the Gauntlet. So 8th grade students, that applies to you. And then the dress-up theme for Tuesday is going to be Christmas Vacation. On Wednesday, we're going to have staff ornament exchange in the library after school. SMS Drama is also going to be performing their play for the elementary schools in the area, as well as Simons Middle School at 1 o'clock. And then the community is invited in at 6 o'clock on Wednesday to also have the opportunity to see that play. That is going to be a free performance, and we will open SMS from 4 o'clock until 6 o'clock. So anyone who would like to come in and see the Christmas decorations that the students have created is more than welcome to come in and see those. This is also going to be our Christmas dinner here at school on Wednesday, and it is Ugly Sweater Day. On Thursday, we have Counselor's Cadre going on from 10 to 12. Continued iReady assessments. The silver and blue team, which is our 8th grade teams, are going to be traveling to YMCA for their reward trip, and that's going to be in the morning hours. They'll be back after lunch. It is also Band T-Shirts Day, so please wear your band shirts. Choir is also preparing to sing on that day at the bowling alley at 11 o'clock until after lunch. On Friday, as always, it is Bring It Friday, and it will be the red, green, and purple team's reward trip to JVS in Maysville. The Impact Leadership class is also participating in a service project with Leading Valley CAP. So Impact Leadership students, please make sure you are prepared to attend that event. Mrs. Ellison is going to be out that day. She is going to an IC conference, and we will have winter BPI check-in completed that day on tote. So students, if you have not done so already, you do need to make sure you get that check-in started and completed by Friday. And Friday is also Grinch Day, so please wear your favorite Grinch attire on Friday. And then over the weekend, our SMS cheerleaders are going to state competition. They are excellent this year, and I do expect for them to win accolades at state. So congratulations, ladies, and good luck on Saturday of this week as those ladies travel to London. We would like to wish a happy congratulations, and we are so very proud of you. Shout out to Miss Elena Hunt. This past week, Elena sang the national anthem prior to her bowling match at Double S Entertainment. She is an 8th grade student here at Simons Middle School and a Blue Barracuda team member. She is also a member of the SMS Beta Club, the FCHS bowling team. She's also a member of our drama class. She also participates in 4-H shooting sports in areas of pistol and black powder, and also is on the school academic team. During the summer, she played the leading role in Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief, learning all of her lines in just a few days. Elena, we think you're a rock star here at SMS. I'm so proud of you and so proud of all the growth that you've made as a student here, and I cannot wait to see the amazing things that you do at Fleming County High School and beyond. We do want to remind everyone we're still selling banners, posters. We also can sell trophies, and we can also create medals in our SMS Library Media Center. So if you have questions or if you'd like to inquire about those items, you can contact Ms. Wagner at 606-845-9331. On Thursday of this week, we do have the Cougars for Christ devotional. That is going to be from 7:20 a.m. until 7:40 a.m. It's going to be with Tanner Bowles from Tollsboro Christian Church. And students, if you still have a Bring It shirt order, please make sure you get that turned this week. We're going to be placing those orders this week, hopefully by Friday. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.